Well, hello everyone, and thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing on my new helmet. It's ILM Modular helmet I got from Amazon for like 80 bucks, I think it was. I'm going to be posting the link in the description down here. In the description of the video, I'm going to put a link to the Amazon listing. I'm not an affiliate or anything, so it don't matter. I just want you guys to see it. So this is gonna be the unboxing. This is the box that came in, the Amazon box. Came in today. I ordered it last week. So I'm pretty sure there's another box inside here. So there's the box, ILM. This helmet has a brake LED light in the back that blinks when you decelerate or decelerate. It's not linked to your motorcycle or anything. Oh, this is just a plain black box. Nothing else in the box. Just a plain old box. This ILM. It's a large. That's the picture of the helmet on the side. It's matte black. Comes with a little pouch. Oh, nice pouch. I'm gonna put my camera somewhere that I can see. If I can see it. Alright. You can see it. This is the box, bag, carrying bag. Let's see if I can figure this out. Alright, so yeah, drop it. Here he goes. That's the back. That's the light. It's supposed to light up when you decelerate. Alright. So it's a flip out face. So let's see. Here we go. That's the inside shield. Got the switch on the side. So this is the helmet. Let me put it on and test it out. Alright. Somewhere stay. Oh, this is comfortable. Gotta adjust that. Well, it feels nice and snug. Unlike my old helmet, it was already big, not well insulated because it's from Colombia. And let's see. Sweet. I'm gonna be building it tomorrow. I'm gonna put the Subaru with the mount, GoPro mount. Putting the microphone in here. So batteries for the LEDs. Looks like two triple A's. Be back. Stay there. Don't go anywhere. Triple A batteries. Great. I'll get that one later. Okay. You see it? Blinks. I thought it was supposed to blink when you decelerate. Guess I was wrong. Cool. Pretty cool. So here it is, my new helmet, ILM. I don't know the model number, so let's see, ILM 902 is the model number, and I got it from Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. So if you buy this helmet, please make sure you remove this sticker, see, before use. You can't ride with this sticker, right? They had to make sure they put the warning, big warning there. Remove it. Don't drive with it. That's all, folks.